In this video, I will show you how to format cells in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see, we have some effect in these cells and you need to format all effects, colors and background. So simple and easy way, just select that area where you want to format. Then in this home tab, here is the option clear. So click on clear format and click anywhere. Like this, you can format all effects. Want to remove and change the effect for this column and these cells. So select that area, then clear. Here is the option clear all, clear formats and clear content. Once you clear content, all content will be removed. Then clear formats and also here the option clear all. Clear everything from the selected cells. All contents, formatting and comments are cleared from the selected cells like this. So thanks for watching guys. This is the way to learn how to clear and how to format cells in Microsoft Excel.